Right now, right in front of your eyes, I'm going to launch and rug a meme coin. If you want to stop being the victim and finally understand the developer's playbook, watch to the end. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. Today, I'm performing a real-time rug pull tutorial from the developer's perspective. I'll break down the exact strategy from token structure to the deployment phase. You're about to see the technical decisions that happen before the launch to ensure a successful exit. This is a complete rug pull explain breakdown. We're leaving nothing behind the scenes. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to the website that I'm going to leave in the description and the first comment in the comment section of the video. This website is basically going to help you create and launch a successful token. Now, when you're in the website, you can click the Create a Token button and it takes you to the Create page. And as you can see, there's stuff like add a name and symbol and logo. What you can do in this stage is you can basically go to Deck Screener and look up some successful tokens and copy their details like token names, symbols, and profile pictures. But what this website has is this amazing tool called AI Prefill. What AI Prefill helps you to do is when you click it, you generate a random successful meme coin that did well in the past. Now this is an amazing feature because it saves you time and you don't need to go through a bunch of tokens on Deck Screener. So you can click it until you find a token that you're happy with. And then you're taken to the Add Liquidity page. Now here you have to select the amount of liquidity you would like to add to the pool. I usually add a little bit more, but this time I'm going to add 4 Solana. The second option is the Market Maker bot. You want to make sure that this is turned on because this is what will make your token pump, and you want to add some volume to generate. I usually add the same amount that I am adding to liquidity, so it's 4 Solana this time, and then you can tweak the settings and just copy them from me because these are the best settings to use when you're launching a token. You can add social links if you want as well. I'm going to skip that for now, click continue, and then once I'm ready, I'm going to click create token. Once you click that, you basically see the funding screen, that this is for the funding of your token and the funding of your trading bot that's going to improve the price movement of the token. Now simply copy the receiver address, the amount, click next, send. That's it. Click review transaction. Next, you have to copy the signature hash and you have to place it inside the confirmation screen. Click check. It's going to locate it on the network, and once it does, it will start processing your request. Alright, so as you can see, liquidity has been added. You can click View Liquidity, click on your token, and you can already see that the token is trading. There is definitely some action. Now most of it is coming from a trading bot, and the purpose of the trading bot is to provide some solid, real sort of price action to the token, so that it brings in more good investors and good wallets, and then those wallets are going to start buying, and then other wallets will copy trade them, and it will become a snowball effect where more wallets buy, and then even more wallets buy after. So let's just wait until this chart plays out. I'm going to speed the video up a little bit, but you will basically see in real time just how powerful this launcher is. Alright, so it seems that the price of our token has kind of reached the top. I don't want to risk of losing any profits. So to remove the liquidity from the pool, all you have to do is you have to click on Manage at the top near the token. Then you click Remove Liquidity, and then you can select the portion of the liquidity you want to remove. I want to remove all of it. Then you type in your wallet address that you would like to receive the liquidity into. And there you go. You can see the liquidity has been removed. I have received the Solana, and it basically took me, 5 minutes to make $1,000 worth of Solana. Not a bad result. I'm sure you'll be able to repeat it, and maybe even exceed it. Subscribe to the channel to see more useful guides. All the necessary links are in the description. Bye, everyone.